Welcome to Zikzok Coin Action. Today we have something truly special to discuss. South Africa 1974 50-cent coin value, the hidden riches in your pocket. Start now.
Hey there, welcome back to Zikzok Coin Action. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the value of the South Africa 1974 50-cent coin. If you're a coin collector, or simply curious about the worth of this particular coin, you've come to the right place. In this video, we will dive into the background, unique features, and current value of this vintage South African coin. So, let's get started. Before discussing the value, let's talk a bit about the history and significance of the South Africa 1974 50-cent coin. This coin was part of the decimalization process in South Africa, which took place in 1961. It features various iconic symbols and historical figures that represent the rich heritage of the country. The year 1974 marks an important moment in South Africa's history, and this coin serves as a tangible reminder of that era. The obverse side of the coin displays the bust of Jan van Riebeeck, the founder of Cape Town, who played a pivotal role in the establishment of a Dutch colony in South Africa. The reverse side showcases a beautiful image of a protea flower, which is native to South Africa and is known for its striking beauty. These unique design elements give the coin both aesthetic appeal and historical significance.
Lovely friends, now talk about current value.
Now, let's address the burning question: what is the current value of the South Africa 1974 50-cent coin? As with any collectible item, the value can vary based on several factors such as condition, rarity, and overall demand. However, as of a circulated South Africa 1974 50-cent coin in average condition is valued around $119.67 according to PCGS. Keep in mind that this value can fluctuate over time, so it's essential to stay updated with the market trends. For those interested in collecting coins from South Africa, or specifically this 1974 50-cent coin, here are a few tips to consider. Firstly, always aim to source coins in the best possible condition, as higher grade specimens tend to hold more value. Additionally, educating yourself about the grading, scale and market trends can help you make informed decisions. Finally, connecting with fellow collectors or joining numismatic societies can provide valuable insights and opportunities to expand your collection.
As we conclude our discussion on the South Africa 1974 50-cent coin's value, we hope you've gained a better understanding of its historical background, unique features, and current worth. Remember, collecting coins is not only an exciting hobby but also a way to preserve history and appreciate the artistic beauty encapsulated in these small metallic treasures. Subscribe Zikzok Coin Action for more coin information. Take care.